Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In my previous video, most of you have been asking me about this live wallpaper which is currently being installed on my Oneplus 8. In this video, we'll show you how can you install this same live wallpaper on any Android device. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And this live wallpaper is from Samsung W21, which Samsung launched on 4th November 2020. And it's a foldable smartphone, and this wallpaper have been extracted from Samsung W21. It really looks beautiful on Oneplus 8, but this wallpaper is actually meant for foldable smartphone. And this live wallpaper is in the format of MP4. Few days back, Ishan Agarwal tweeted about this same wallpaper, and he also shared the download link. So as I said, this wallpaper is in MP4 format, which is a video of 9 seconds. So basically you cannot apply this wallpaper on your OnePlus devices using the wallpaper section. And neither it can be applied using Google Wallpaper application. It's a high resolution wallpaper and the size of this is 7.46 MB. Resolution of this wallpaper or the MP4 is 2208 x 2208 pixels. If you want to apply this wallpaper, you need to download an application called Video Wallpaper. I'll leave the link for application in the description below along with the wallpaper link, and then you can set wallpaper using this application. The wallpaper looks really great on any Android device, but there's a drawback about it. It drains a little bit of extra battery of your device. I've been using this wallpaper on my OnePlus 8, and yes, I've noticed slight extra battery drain on my device. Here you can see 3% of battery is being used by OnePlus launcher, which means the live wallpaper is using slight extra battery. So if you guys are not concerned about the battery drain, then you can anytime install this live wallpaper using the Video Wallpaper application. And this can be installed on any Android device. So guys, that was a quick look on how to install Samsung Galaxy W21 live wallpaper on any Android device. If you still face any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.